Hi everyone, welcome back to Evo Battery. Today we're going to do a battery replacement on a GLA Mercedes-Benz. This is from 2015 to 2020. Here we're going to start by taking off the top cover and taking the positive cover. We're going to start by taking off the negative. We're using a 10mm socket. Then we're going to take out the positive. All right, put it to the side. Then with a flathead screwdriver, we're gonna take out the side cover. We're gonna try to get it loose here on the side, lift it up using the flathead screwdriver. Once you got it up, then we're gonna take out the plastic. All right, try to take off the air band. Once you remove the air band, pull it to the side. Now we can just lift up the plastic. Now we're going to take out the battery hold down. We're going to be using a 13mm socket. We're going to take out the bolt and the battery hold down. Place it to the side. Then we're going to start moving the wire out of the way of the battery so we can move out the battery. Try to lift up the battery. Put your hand in the bottom, then try to lift it up straight. Try to make some room for it. Once you got enough space, you just lift it up using two hands. Move that to the side, and then the battery will come out. Now to place in the new battery, you're gonna do it the same way it came out. Just place it to the side, and then eventually the battery actually gonna fall in place into the battery tray. All right, we're gonna put in the bracket. The bracket is in, and then we're gonna put in the bolt and tighten it a little bit with your hand. Now we're gonna start placing the side plastic. Just keep moving around until it falls in place. Put this wire to the side so you have some space and room so you can see. And then keep moving the plastic. It's supposed to lock with all the plastic on the other side. Just keep moving it until you get it together, until it falls in place. Lift it up, and then once you got it locked in, then you're going to make a little bit of pressure down and it'll lock together, both of the plastic around the battery. Now we're going to start now trying to connect the positive first. Once the positive is in, then we're going to do negative and put down the battery bracket. Then we're going to do the positive, then negative. All right, now we're going to put on the cover. You're going to slide it back and then put the wire on top on the channel. Now this car, we have some issue with the OS battery, the auxiliary battery, so we're going to replace that one. So the auxiliary battery is on the footwell. We're going to jiggle it just a little bit until it come out. Once the battery is out, we're going to disconnect the positive, then the negative. Then to put it back on again, we're going to do positive, then negative, and we're going to slide it back in where it was. Now with the car running, we're going to turn it off, and then we're going to try to turn it back on again, and the OS batteries should turn off. If you enjoyed this video, please like so other people can come over and watch this video. Thank you.